Today's video is inspired by Ireland. Today I'm going to show you how to make some yummy sweet spinach muffins. It's a great way to get toddlers and adults to eat vegetables. You can also make this for a St. Patrick's Day gathering or a brunch party. This egg-free recipe is perfect for those who have food allergies. First, you're going to need a mixing bowl to mix your dry ingredients in. Okay, so we're going to start off by using 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then 3/4 cups of sugar. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more sightseeing savings recipe tips and tricks. Next, you add in 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Then a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. A 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Then a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Next, you have to add your wet ingredients into a blender. Pour in a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Then 3/4 cup of milk. Now, if you want your muffins to have just a little hint of honey, then you would just add 1 teaspoon of honey. Okay, this is my level up ingredient. I use this vanilla bean paste in all of my baked goods. I just feel like it adds more flavor than vanilla extract. It doesn't have any bourbon in it. That's just the name of the vanilla bean. I'll leave the Amazon link down below in the description box. This is what this vanilla bean paste looks like, and you can see the little tiny specks of vanilla bean inside of the paste. The texture is just a little bit thicker than honey. Then I use 6 ounces of spinach, which is equivalent to half of this 12-ounce bag. You would just add the frozen spinach into the mixture. Now I'm going to use the blender for about 30 seconds. Now you have to pour the wet ingredients on top of the dry ingredients. You might have to use a spoon to scoop everything out of the blender. Now you would just thoroughly mix everything together, but just don't overmix. Okay, now this looks ready. I usually put 2 scoops of batter into each cupcake liner. This recipe is enough to make 12 muffins. Just make sure you divide your batter up evenly into the 12 cupcake liners. Now you just pop the muffins in your traditional oven at 375 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes. Okay, now I'll show you how to make these muffins in the Brava oven. If you don't have any cupcake liners, then you can just use some butter spray to spray the muffin pan. Just so you know, you can only use this pan to bake muffins or cupcakes in the Brava oven, which means you can only bake 6 muffins at a time. Next, you just scoop the batter into the muffin pan. Now you just need to hit the bake button on the screen. Then you set the temperature to 375. Then you hit the green button to start the rapid preheat phase. Now the rapid preheat phase is over. Put the pan in the oven and then set the time to 17 minutes. Then you will see the Brava oven lights come on. I usually just stick a toothpick in the middle of the muffins just to make sure everything is thoroughly baked. Okay, and now it's time for me to eat one of these yummy muffins. Thanks for watching.